Ever wondered how those mesmerizing, glowing signs illuminate our nights? From vintage diners to bustling cityscapes, neon lights have captivated us for decades. But have you ever stopped to think about how they came to be? Let's dive into the fascinating history of neon. Our story begins in the late 19th century with a brilliant mind named Sir William Ramsay. This Scottish chemist was on a quest to understand the elements that make up our atmosphere. Through a series of ingenious experiments, he discovered a whole host of noble gases, including helium, argon, and, most importantly for our tale, neon. Now, these gases are unique. They're incredibly stable and don't readily react with other elements. But Ramsay and his colleague, Maurice Travers, noticed something peculiar about neon. When an electric current was passed through a tube filled with neon gas, it emitted an eerie, otherworldly glow. Pure serendipity. They had stumbled upon a phenomenon that would soon revolutionize nighttime illumination. The initial applications of neon light were primarily scientific. Scientists used these glowing tubes to study the properties of gases and conduct various experiments. But it wasn't long before entrepreneurs saw the commercial potential of this dazzling discovery. French engineer Georges Claude recognized the advertising potential of neon's vibrant glow. He developed the first practical neon lighting system in 1910. Imagine the scene, Paris, 1910. The streets were suddenly illuminated with these captivating, eye-catching displays. It was a sensation. Businesses quickly caught on, and soon, neon signs were popping up everywhere, transforming cityscapes into dazzling spectacles of light. The 1920s and 30s saw a neon explosion. American cities, especially, embraced this new form of advertising. Iconic neon signs became symbols of their respective eras, from the glamorous Art Deco style to the bold, graphic designs of the mid-20th century. Neon signs weren't just about advertising, they became a cultural phenomenon. They added a vibrant, dynamic energy to cityscapes, reflecting the spirit of the times. Think of the iconic neon signs of Las Vegas, a testament to the city's dazzling, over-the-top allure. Neon became synonymous with entertainment, glamour, and the thrill of the city. While classic neon signs still hold a special place in our hearts, technology has evolved. Today, we have LED lights that can mimic the glow of neon while offering greater versatility and energy efficiency. But the spirit of neon lives on. Modern artists and designers continue to find inspiration in the vibrant legacy of neon. From contemporary installations to innovative architectural lighting, neon continues to illuminate our world in new and exciting ways. So, the next time you see a neon sign glowing in the night, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating history behind it. From a scientific curiosity to a cultural icon, neon has left an indelible mark on our world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.